Good afternoon, everyone, all listeners, all Biafrans all over the world, and all people who are listening to me. I am Emeka Isri, barrister and solicitor. I am the chairman of this Biafran movement that is anchored upon the rule of law, which we call the legal methodology of self-determination, founded by the elders of Biafra land. We will call the IPOB Biafra government, the indigenous people of Biafra that is founded by the elders. I will go into details later, but I want to say that our self-determination project is anchored upon the rule of law. We commenced in 2012 when we filed the case between Biafra and Nigeria in suit number